Do it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
That's a big one. Oh.
Make the right choice, okay? Hey, 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 hey. That's not it.
Summer.
Exactly. You tell them, Robert. You tell them. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Long live the king. Go! Oh!
Since before they were eggs.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's how you stay. Ow!
The poop.
Why are you being such a beast?
Oh no.
Yeah.
You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
Theo.
March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was
Birds.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
My boy?
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy.
What the heck?
Vậy bạn ơi.
Stuck?
So, I found something. Hey, look at me, I'm talking to you. Thank you.
Is our cat is outside too.
Oh my god!
He said I love you perfect. I love you.
You fucker!
You are actually giving treats to Belle.
No.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
My name is Jen.
Oliver. Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
No!
Get.
What happened?
Luna, stop.
Y mia.
Quiero una estufa, una tele.
Katie, what are you doing out here? Did I not see you before?
I said no.
Walter, please watch your tail.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
He's a male. He's a very loving cat.
Oh. To you too. Oh my.
Back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Oh!
What's going on, man? Whoa!
Normalize you not touching my charger!